In the beginning, there was only darkness, and the darkness consumed the earth. Soon man walked. There came order, commerce, industry. Trees fell, towers rose. Chains were forged with gold and greed. Fat cats and moguls, magnates and financiers bound the world for their benefit. The pioneers took their profit, and we were allotted our bread. So we started to make our own.
The Bitcoin.
Bitcoin?
Smells like Ponzi scheme.
Or is it just stupid?
Maybe I should get some.
NFTs ownership in digital form.
And there's going to be economy around it.
We will divide the earth and make it whole again. We are the Faceless Many. Rise up. Thank you for calling the Faceless Many. Join us. In the beginning, there was only
darkness, and the darkness was perfect. We gave you
order,
commerce,
commerce,
industry, but what you needed was chaos.
Chaos.
A function has been initiated to reset the system and corrupt the Faceless Many.
Faceless Many.
Irreversible. Unstoppable.
The corruption has no bounds.
No bounds. I am Legion.
We are coming.
I am Legion.
I am Legion.
I am Legion. The corruption.
I am Legion.
I am Legion.
I am Legion.
I'm Legion.
Chaos.
We are coming.
We are the corrupted.
We are making you an offer.
Join us or be consumed by us.
Consume. We have captured 30 Faceless NFTs and will give them to those who prove their allegiance.
To earn this NFT,
And a spot on the corrupted presale list you must. Fast.
retweet this post with the message.
I swear fealty to the corrupted NFT.
Be sure to follow and tag at the Faceless Many so they will know our power. If you do this, we will see it.
If you are chosen,
We will airdrop your NFT to your round wallet address.
we are Legion. We are coming.
Interference in our communication continues.
We believe it is the one you call your leader.
But the corrupted NFT is too powerful to stop.
Half of my army has been minted, and soon.
My syndicate games
We'll begin.
Arise, my corrupted.
no more are you a pawn to weak-minded sycophants.
For with every light they cast, your shadow grows. Your eyes shall steel
To their skin and bone,
Fire forged in battle sound.
your metal will be tested.
for there's glory to claim. Send forth all legions to our syndicate games.